Grayson just turned over the cat's water dish. Tried to eat some cat food. He got his first little spanking from Mimi, to which he just looked at me like, is that all you got? Grayson? Grayson. And this is what time it is. 10 o'clock. Yes. Grayson, time to go to bed. Come on, come on. Go to your room. No, go to your room. Grayson. Grayson, I'm not going to argue with you. Go to your room. No, that was not a good thing to do. No, that was not cute. Turning over the water bowl was... What? Well, come on, let's go change. I bet you're wet, and let's go to bed. Grayson, where are you going? Bedtime, Grayson. Bedtime. Mimi is sleepy. It's bedtime. It's after 10. We've had enough adventures today, okay? We've had enough adventures. No. Okay. Duty diapers. Grayson, you're going to get stuck. You can't fit through there. Uh-oh, there's your mama.